Hello friends, here on this video how you can fix your camera problems. Suppose whenever you are trying to solve your camera or to trying to use camera or opening camera but it's not turning on and your camera it's not capturing nicely photos, how you can fix this problem on your Redmi phone. And friends, before we fix camera problem, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on camera. After you move on camera from here, my camera it's working but your camera it's not working. That's why you have to click on this three line. After you click on this three line, here you have to move on setting. Then from here friends, you have to just scroll on the down, click on restore default, click on restore it. After you have restored it, your camera will work smoothly. It says camera requires the following permission: location information. If you want to allow the location information, you can allow, but I don't want to allow, so I just click on cancel. Okay, and it says camera reduce the following permissions locations. You can move to settings and you can allow it. Okay friends, so friends, after that if your camera is still not working, then it's okay. You can again what you can do is that here just press on your camera. Then here you are going to find this information icon, click on it, then click on storage usage. Then here just clear the cache. Okay, clear the data. Okay, it says this app's data including files and settings will be deleted permanently from this device. Everything will be deleted if you clear your data. But friends, before you clear your storage, here what you need to do is that you can transfer your files to drive, or example like you can transfer to drive. Here you can transfer to another device, you can do this also. Okay, before you clear your storage. And if you don't need, then it's okay, you just delete it. Okay, and after doing this also your problem will be solved. So friends, hope you loved your video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.